Hello everyone, here is Kat and welcome to my new channel. Today we have a really special unboxing. It just came on this morning. I haven't even opened the box yet, the bag is still untied. That's my name and address here, as you can see. So, let's see what's in here. So what have we got here? A nice piece of paper. Let's see what Mate X is giving us. So, first bit, we have being one of the first 250 buyers in UK, as it came on contract on 3. They gave you a leather cover, my SIM cards, which I won't need them for the moment, and the big box. The big boy is here with us today. So that's how the box looks. It's quite simple. It's got all the information here saying what and with what. Okay, the model, which is TAHN29M. That's the European model. 512 gigabytes and 8 of RAM. Alright, so what have we got in the bag? So we have the big boy. We're gonna leave it on the side. We have the phone over here. Nah, it's not this one. So let's leave it on the side as well. Now let's start at the beginning. What we got in the first bag? Says envelope leather cover for Mate X. Okay, cool. I think you haven't seen my new tool. That's my tool. And then I'm gonna, because I'm a bit unprepared, I'm just gonna use whatever I found. So let's see what's in here. First time for me unlocking one. It's my first foldable phone as well, so come on. It's a bit stiff, but in the end, we are here. So the box is quite clear. It's got a little manual in Chinese and English. That's it. Let's put this on the side. That's the leather case, which only 200 people will get it in UK for free on contract. The only company that offers one at the moment. Okay, let's put the leather box on the side. Let's go into the big boy. Okay, so actually this should be easier, but I'm just gonna start it a little bit and then listen to that. Okay, here we go. Let's see how is that box opening, because as you all know, I'm first time opening it, so I'm sorry for being a bit off. Okay, here we go. We have the seal here. Just cut the seal, and then that's the one. It should come off, isn't it? Like ordinary boxes. Now, oh, this is more special. So, oh, it's just something like that. And here we have the big boy. It's got the foil on. I'm gonna leave this in the side. Let's see what's in the box. Precaution, a little manual. Leave that on the side. And here we have the clip for the SIM card, the little tool to take off the SIM card. And here we have some more documents, warranty card, user manual. Here's the new bumper that they offer now. Protected, we'll put it on the table. Okay, I'm gonna leave that on the side for now. Let's see what else we've got in here. Really feels really premium. That's a big charger. That should be a 65-watt charger. You can charge your laptop with that as well. And then we have a pair of headphones, ordinary headphones, nothing special. And then it should be the cable. That's it. Okay, nothing else in the box. So just put the stuff in here, take it out of the way, and all the other bits and pieces. And then let's get into see the big thing. So it's got the foil protection on. Feels quite heavy. Alright, let's take the foil off. Okay, that's first look. This is the screen. Alright, let's go and power it on. 4 cameras. It's coming as you turn it on. If it's still unlocked, it's coming just on the half of the screen. Oh, yeah, so that was good image. Alright, let's see how that thing goes. Yeah, that was quite easy, really. Better than I was expecting. And then that's me unfolding for the first time on foldable phone, and it really feels good. I mean, this screen feels like it's coming once you've done it, like it's one piece of glass, really. You can still see, I don't know if you can see, you can still see like a little bump, but it's like really something insignificant. Other than that, it really feels good. Okay, so I've got the USB charger in here, the camera's fingerprint. Just gonna go in to install it really quick. Next, okay, no SIM card, cool. Skip any networks at the moment. Let's commit next. Skip, no thanks. Later. Update manually. It's a new device. Try gesture. So it tells us to get to know the gestures. Okay, swap on the other side. Okay, that's like back as we are familiar with, that goes back on the screen. Cool. So then, yep, that takes us to, alright, then we're gonna choose gestures as I'm familiar with and I'm used to. That's it. And that's the first thing that we can see on the screen. Press again the button, unlock it, and reveal the big thing. So that's my first impression. For the moment, we're gonna go later through cameras and all the other stuff. I'm gonna come back and make a more extended review of the phone once I go into using it for a little while. But yeah, at the moment it just feels like a premium unboxing, and I think we expect that from the price we are paying for that device. So thank you guys, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Now, my channel is quite new, so I'll leave a link below. So if you want to subscribe and see more videos, I'm gonna try to be more professional and getting more into that, if you allow me, and if you like my face, if you would like to see me more. And nice to meet you all. See you next time. Cat.